Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Coach. Today I will guide you how to configure TP-Link router TL-MR3420 3G4G as wireless access point. Let's start and follow the steps. Select network icon, properties, change adapter setting, Ethernet, properties, select IP version 4. Here need to configure same IP address range to Ethernet. I assign 192.168.1.10 because my router IP address is 192.168.1.1. I assign primary DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Press OK, close and close. Open command prompt. Here I try to ping my router. My router IP is 192.168.1.1. So I ping with command ping 192.168.1.1 minus T. Here you can see my router is pinging, and that means my router is live. So I open in browser 192.168.1.1. Here my login page. You can download TP-Link app from Google Play Store with scan of QR code. So I don't require to download this app. I want to close. Here need to assign new password and confirm password to login in router. Now asking for the time setting. Here I choose Kolkata. Now choose router setting. I use as a wireless router mode. Click next. Yes. Here three mode. One is dynamic, second is static, and third is PPOE. These three methods are running in India. So I have only PPOE. I choose PPOE. Then next, I assign my username and password, which is provided by my ISP. Next, here you can assign wireless SSID and password. Next, here you can see your router configured setting. This is your SSID and password. Click save. Now all the settings are saving right now. After saving all the settings, device will reboot. It will take time for booting. Now device will redirect automatically. Enter your password. Now click to your login button. Now test internet connection. It's showing success. Click OK. Finish. Now internet connection is active. Now wireless configured is on 2.4 GHz and get IP from the ISP. Now click internet. Here is setting of internet connection setup. Now see PPOE setting, wireless. Here is your SSID and password. Now quick setup and basic setting are completed. Click advanced for advanced setting. Choose operation mode, wireless router mode, network, internet. You can connect internet through these three protocols: dynamic, static and PPOE. Dynamic, if your ISP will provide IP through dynamic, then you can choose dynamic, otherwise you can choose the static. In the static, you can assign manually IP address, subnet mask, gateways, DNS and alternate DNS, which is provided from the ISP. Then save. I choose PPOE because I have only PPOE option. This is my setting which is provided by my ISP. Click auto. It should be auto, otherwise you can connect manually. Click save. DHCP server. Here you can choose IP range of DHCP server. Now I choose and enter 192.168.1.200 up to 254. Here I choose lease time 500 for the IP. Click on wireless setting. Wireless setting. Here this is your SSID and security option. It's your recommended setting. So please choose WPA personal. And then save. WPS, I recommended it should be disabled because now all the Android app will access to WPS. Click on guest network. Here you can assign separate SSID and Wi-Fi connection for your guest. Now you can enable guest Wi-Fi in your setting, enter your password, then save. Here your guest Wi-Fi setting is saved. Now click on Wi-Fi. Here you can see your guest and your permanent Wi-Fi is visible. Click disable because I don't want to enable my guest Wi-Fi. USB sharing setting. I don't want to enable any media through USB. So I disable all the USB sharing and click save. Print server. I don't want to enable print server. I choose disable. Parental control. I will make a separate video to parental control and share with you shortly. Security, firewall. Here firewall should be enabled for IP version 4 and IP version 6. Both should be enabled. Click open new tab and type google.com. Here your net is working. Now restart your router. It will take some time. Enter your password to log in. Open browser, type speed test and open second link. Click go. Here I check my internet speed. Here you can see my internet speed. My download speed is 31 Mbps. And my upload speed is 30 Mbps. So both are equal. Here you can see your all setting and connected devices. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos.